Vision is everything. Goals you have to pursue, risks you have to take. When coupled with hard work, the sky is the limit. Vision, dreams, risks, perseverance, all these elements come to life in one organization, the Dempo Group. A multi-skilled, professionally managed group renowned for being not just a thought leader but a performance leader, with diversified business interests ranging from shipbuilding, manufacture of calcined petroleum coke, food processing and pig iron, travels, real estate, sports, media and education. A global presence spanning from Europe to the Far East and Southeast Asia, and a lineage dating back to the 17th century. Dempo today is a name that symbolizes excellence, trust, and commitment to the society. Dempo Shipbuilding and Engineering Private Limited is the premier shipyard in Goa. It has attained a sterling position in a competitive market and commands the respect due to an industry leader. Located on the banks of the Mandovi River, the yard is spread over an area of 25,000 square meters and is strategically placed between the National Highway and the River Navigation Channel. We have another yard on the banks of the Zuari River at Undir Ponda, spread over an area of 20,000 square meters with a side launching facility and an outfitting bay. We have harnessed the finest minds, facilities and technologies to provide international quality services at competitive rates. Continuing in its pursuit of innovation, Dempo has ensured that the facilities at the yard are world-class. Yard facilities includes slipway measuring 120 meters by 20 meters with a hydraulic winch of 20 tons capacity for safe launching of vessels. Vessel of about 82 meter length with a launching draft of 2.2 meters can be constructed on the slipway. Side launching bays measuring 110 meters and 80 meters, which can construct the vessels up to 125 meters in length and 18 meters wide. This launching bay can also accommodate 2 vessels at a time of about length of 90 meters each. 2 dry docks of 90 meters length by 18 meters width each, which can accommodate vessels with drafts of 1.8 meters and 2.25 meters respectively. Full-fledged machine shop for manufacturing and reconditioning of stern gear, rudder gear, deck machinery and overhaul of all types of mechanical machinery. 2 outfitting quays measuring 120 meters and 80 meters long to carry out outfitting jobs on vessels after launching and also to attend minor repairs. A well-equipped mechanical, electrical and steel workshop. Covered and open fabrication bay with monthly throughput of over 150 tons. Design section to prepare production, outfitting drawings and as-fitted data, etc. Quality control department for online quality assurance and liaising with third-party inspection agencies and statutory authorities. open and closed custom bonded warehouse for storage of imported material. Air plasma CNC cutting machine to cut plates with maximum width of 3 meters with additional gas torch and nesting software. Mobile cranes varying from 8 tons to 75 tons capacity for handling blocks and modules. Blasting and airless spray machine for proper surface preparation and hull protection. Standby generator of 325 kVA capacity to use during power failure. Submerged arc welding, CO2 and inverter-based welding machines for quality welding. Dempo has the know-how to offer comprehensive services encompassing almost every activity connected with the undertaking of shipbuilding contracts, from shipbuilding and ship repairs to conversion and modernization. We undertake shipbuilding and ship repairs of inland, coastal and seagoing vessels of up to 4,500 DWT, passenger vessels, ferry crafts, pleasure launches and high-performance vessels, dredgers, split-hopper barges, survey launches, police and paramilitary boats, harbour utilities, tugs, pilot and patrol launches, bunker barges, crane barges, etc. Our conversion and modernization services include role conversions, re-equipping, re-engineering, performance upgradation. Today, Dempo Shipbuilding and Engineering Private Limited is the epitome of professionalism and performance. Dempo has used its skill and acumen to create valuable clientele that endure and build lasting goodwill. Some of the prestigious projects undertaken in the past include Steel 50 passenger and FRP patrol launches for Andaman and Nicobar Administration Port Blair, multi-utility crafts and 400-meter cube dumb hopper barges for Mundra Port and Special Economic Zone, Gujarat, offshore supply vessel for Raj Shipping Agencies, Mumbai, spud pontoons, excavator barge for M. Palonji and Company Private Limited, pilot launches for Mumbai Port Trust, pilot launches and mooring launches for Setu Samudram Corporation Private Limited, Chennai, barges from 1,500 to 2,400 DWT, patrol vessels for Fisheries Department and passenger vessel for Tourism Development Corporation of Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion Barge for National Institute of Ocean Technology, Chennai, conversion of fishing trawler to research vessel for NIO, Goa.
Dempo Group is one of the major and the foremost industrial houses in the state of Goa, with major interests in the core sectors of mining, pig iron, shipbuilding and ship repairs, real estate, calcined petroleum coke, and travel and tourism. Shipbuilding in Goa is one of our major activities, with 2 modern yards set up in the state of Goa. We have a very impressive list of clients. Apart from serving the major barge industry in Goa, which provides the vital linkage to the iron ore sector, we have also developed an impressive list of clients throughout the country. Shipbuilding is poised to take a major leapfrog into the country. The government of India has already made it very, very clear that shipbuilding is one of their more focus areas and are doling out various incentives to make shipbuilding a priority industry. Dempos, looking at this potential, have already decided to take the shipbuilding sector in its domain to the next level. As a new project, we are happy to announce our investment in the state of Gujarat for a new state-of-the-art shipbuilding project which could service new kind of ships for the shipbuilding industry in the country. The shipbuilding industry, which is very attractive in the country due to its large technical pool of manpower, as also the cost of labor being cheaper than other countries, we expect India to be among the top shipbuilding producing nations of the world, which today has a shipbuilding market share of less than 1%, which is poised to go up to 5% by the year 2015. Dempos are ready to take this major step and serve our major customers not only in India but throughout the world.
Dempo Shipbuilding and Engineering Private Limited promises to live up to its philosophy of strengthening relationships and innovating service offerings. With new growth opportunities charted out, it is poised to capitalize on new and emerging markets. Dempo Shipbuilding and Engineering Private Limited continues to sail forward in its quest for success, accompanied by its key motivators: the enthusiasm to navigate the future, the courage to explore new opportunities, and the belief that vision does translate into reality. Dempo Shipbuilding and Engineering Private Limited. Anchor your marine expeditions on trust.